Okay, are you going to open the present that Vishal Mama got you?
Yeah.
Okay, open it.
Mama, open it.
Mama help you open it?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
I have a book.
Hmm?
A happy birthday book.
Is it a happy birthday book? No, I think it's it says, what does it say? I love my Roomba. Do you want to see it? Do you see the Roomba? Is that a Roomba on your shirt? Boop, 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 boop. Do you like your shirt?
Yeah.
Do you, yeah? Do you want to put it on? Yeah, but do you want to put your
Roomba box.
the Roomba box?
Yeah.
Do you want to put your Roomba shirt on?
No, I want to keep it out.
Yeah. Oh, you want to keep it right there and press the button?
Yeah.
Good job.
This works.
Wow. Good job. Can you say thank you, Vishal Mama? Say it. Say it to the camera so we'll send him a video. Huh?
This Roomba.
Yeah, that's the Roomba. Say thank you, Vishal Mama.
It's a duck. The duck.
That's what?
Duck.
The what?
A duck.
The dock?
Yeah.
Oh, that's where it charges?
Yeah.
Oh.
It's good. Boo, boo.
Boop, 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 boop. Like that?
Yeah.
Okay, you gonna say thank you? Huh? No? Okay, we can FaceTime later. You can say thank you. Do you like your shirt? Do you want to put it on? You want to do what? Oh. Okay, let's put your shirt on. Come over here. What? Look at the shirt. What does it say on there? Do you know? Huh? Hey! What does the shirt say? It says, I love my Roomba. Do you love it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This button.
That's the button. Boop. Boop. Are you...
Orange.
Orange, yeah. Who got that for you? Where's your mama? You said press the green button?
Boo.
Beep boo.
Boo boo. Came out.
It came out?
No, sorry.
Oh, it's charging?
Came out.
Oh.
Boogie.